Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Divina. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you! Today guys, I am going to make egg roll. Our famous egg roll, and we call it lumpia. I'm going to use ground beef. You can also use ground pork. Okay? So the ingredients I'm going to use, just 1 carrot, 1 egg, a half of onions, salt, garlic, and pepper. What I'm gonna do, if you don't have the shredder, you can just cut it to small pieces. Onion here, but I'm going to use different cone, the smaller one. And I'm just gonna use half of this one for a pound of ground beef. Easy. Okay, 1/2. And then after that, you just need to mix them. Okay, since I'm wearing my gloves here, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix. It's time to make the egg roll. Okay, it's time to cook. It's time to fry. So what I'm using is our deep fryer over here. So I set it to 375. So just wait a minute and I'll be back. I'm gonna take it out. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoyed it. Till next recipe. Bye for now.